Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have made 7,590 guys. This is the only position that I have taken. You can see the order book. If you want, I can refresh this as well. So you see at 10:33 I have executed the order. At 10:43 I have closed my position. So close to 10 minutes. So this is the day's PNL guys. If you want, I can refresh this once more. So what was the reason? What was the logic? Those are plain simple. Uh, so I think in 15 minutes I have gone. Uh, 15 minutes was the time frame that I used. I'll do one thing. Yeah. So what was the bias? What was the reason for me to go short? Basically, yesterday I no yesterday yeah yesterday itself I got chopped. I lost almost close to 15k 50k yesterday. I did not post because I was traveling, so I was in Chennai, and then I couldn't even upload in Discord also. Otherwise, I would have uploaded all positions in Discord, and I did not upload. I couldn't upload in Discord also. Otherwise, I would have done that. So I want to be very honest. First of all, I want to be clear that I want to remain very honest in this trading space. I don't want to jinx. I don't want to manipulate any of you guys. I want to be very strict and honest. So what is happening with me, and so let us discuss about the setup guys. So this is the place where I have executed this trade, and then I have held it till the tops of this fair value gap. You see this fair value gap, that is where in 10:33 I have executed the trade. I think in 1 minute, was that 1 minute? Yes. 10:30, yes, it's in 1 minute. In 1 minute I have executed the buy position, and at 10:43 close to something like this, when this market has tapped into this fair value gap, that is where I have exited out of the markets. This is a simple trade. This is a buy trade. Basically, why I have gone long is I have seen a doji candle, and then I have seen the order block in 1 minute. So these two are the confluences for me. You see, this is the doji candle, undecided candle, and there is this fair value gap on top that is left open. So I thought these two could be a major reasons for the market to push higher. So it has driven to the upside, and then it has fallen down. After that, you can see the fall, and then I have seen this move, seen this market when it is printing prices here. So I wanted to go long, but then if either of the candles had closed below, if either of the candles has taken out the lows of previous candle and closed above, that is where I could have seen some sort of buy side momentum, but then there is none as such. You can see the plain uh, upside candles. None of the candle has manipulated the previous candle's low. So it- this is not a major sign for me to be remain bullish. Yeah, that's it about today guys. So and then I want to discuss what was happening with me lately, because after almost of 20 days winning streak in my sorry, in the month of June. So I had encountered severe losses because of the way how market has been going. Most probably I would blame myself itself. I don't want to blame anything else. I don't want to blame markets, because markets run the way how they are supposed to go. I mean, there is nothing much to blame about the markets. For me personally, what has happened to me is that one thing is I was traveling until August mid. There are a lot of errands for me to finish. So I don't know when, how frequent I will be. Second thing is, guys, I want to discuss where I went wrong, what has happened with me majorly. So I think, where is it? I think in daily candle we'll get to know what has happened. Weekly candle, daily, daily. Yes, here on 25th of June. This is where I lost a major chunk of money, almost close to 1 lakh in this day. Why? Because what I usually do is I mark up the levels where market would react in as a high probability zone, and then from there I take the positions. Sometimes I don't even focus on the entries also. Sometimes I just enter just like that. Sometimes I wait for confirmation. But this day, I was very sure that the market has offered us an order block here, very short block, and then it has a fair value gap. Uh, you know to think of. So when market has approached here, I tried to go short somewhere here, but then it did not even give me 10 points. It just randomly kept going, and I was holding all this way. Because sometimes when you are so sure of the markets, because if this zone invalidated, I was hoping that this zone, when market taps here, this would be validated at least. But then market came down, gave this spike, and then from here it has started rallying up. So this day was the most difficult day for me to manage the risk. I'm not talking about technical aspect, I'm talking about the risk management. Because this is the first day. Second day is, I think I did not trade here. I have taken a position in bank nifty. I think we'll yeah. So in bank nifty also, what has happened? Yeah, in bank nifty, what has happened is I have gone to the 4 hours time frame, I guess. So 4 hours time frame, and then I was expecting the market to retrace to the lower aspect, but then I have taken a position here. I kept the stop loss here. This is a carry forwarding position. I waited till market has given me some 4 to 5K of profits, but then it has is given this huge spike. That is where I lost a major chunk of the money. So these two trading days has costed me more than 1 lakh. So you know uh, what typically has happened here is, um, I married to an idea and I couldn't let go of it. This is a major reason. Second reason is that my risk management somewhere toppled, because of the way that how I was connected to the idea that market should go down. Even though I was 50-50 sure, because this is a doji candle, market anyway will test the high of this doji candle or the low. So most of the times doji candles acts as undeciding factor, so that if it takes out one part of either high or low, so the chances of it reversing towards the opposite direction or opposite extreme is very high. So I married to the idea that market will go down, take out the low, and then come up and do something like sweep here. But then it did not come down. It has given this momentum. I was hoping that this would continue the downfall, but then it did not. It reversed. These days has have tested my patience so much that I couldn't manage myself very much. I'm being very honest, very brutally honest, guys, because sometimes you think that I have been posting profits. You guys might be thinking that, oh, this guy is making profits every day, so we have to learn from him, or we have to adopt his model. We have to, replicate his style of trading. So that's how we could make money. But that's not the truth, guys. Most of the times, what I'm trying to do is, you know, it's so stressful. But then what I try to do is I try to figure out where exactly the manipulation is happening. That is the only thing, if at all, that has helped me to become profitable, to stay profitable, is manipulations. Where exactly are we getting manipulated? What is the sentiment for the day? Only these two things have helped me to stay consistent. But then, is that enough for me to stay consistent? No. Even though you're technically brilliant, there are a lot of people who are technically very brilliant, but then they have lost money because of the psychological issues, because of the poor risk management, so on and so forth. So why this is happening? No, you make a profit for 21 days to lose it all at the end of month. Why? Why? The reason lies in exhaustion. The reason lies in complacency. Because even though I was very much afraid of the markets, because in my whole life, I have never been this consistent. I have never been this much profitable. The how it used to go, it used to give me profits for 1 2 days, and then for third day I might incur some loss, fourth day profit, fifth day loss. Overall, in a week I used to be some sort of net profitable. But then this is the first time that I've been profitable consistently for a long period of time, that is to almost for 3 weeks. But there was some innate fear inside of me, so I could go wrong anytime, and my stop losses might not be obeyed by the markets. So all these things have happened. So this issue is with me, or with everybody else. This is something that I cannot answer, because I believe that these mistakes happen with every trader. Even though no matter how profitable they are still profitable. They are still making losses. They still blow up their accounts. They still have bad days, losing streaks and all sorts. But then they still don't give up and still work on their edge or strategy, whatever it is that they have built over time. See, that is why I feel like this is the time for me. This is the time, right time for me, because seeing all these things psychologically, I feel this is the time for me that I should transition into something called swing trading. You guys all must be aware of swing trading, the exact trading model with strict rules that I used to trade 1 year ago. Sorry, 2 years ago. I've been backtesting again for the last whole week, whenever I found some time. So I'm backtesting and I found good results. Not in India markets. Yes, I have found some good results in our Indian markets as well. So majorly I found good results in crypto markets, because these are continuous markets and it's easy for me to handle the risk here. It's easy for me to manage some sort of stop losses here. My trade, everything is easy for me to manage. So that is why I feel like this is the high time for me to transition into the crypto, because ultimately if you want to build a career in crypto, it's not like I made 20 days profit and now I cannot be sitting here imagining my whole life with with some at least 1 year of funding, utilizing 1 year as the capital, and then making these rookie mistakes, these idiotic risk management psychological issues in the intraday basis. This is not how I'm imagining my life to be. I want to be a peaceful, calm, selective, precise trader at the same time, who could trade well, who could manage risk also in a better way. So that is why I think I should transition myself into the crypto world. I'm not here to promote anything, guys. You must be wondering, because every other, star YouTuber or the famous YouTuber nowadays is promoting crypto and asking everybody to click on their link, take memberships. I don't have any such things. I'm here to genuinely trade and I want to show you the results. I want to be very honest as possible, because I myself am not in the place to teach you guys. I can teach you my model. I can tell you what exactly I look for in a chart, what exactly is the time that you should enter so that you get the best edge out of it. I can tell you all this, but then I don't think it's the right time, because I should be able to show you what and how a genuine trader really feels like. And then I had a funding account in Apex, 250K. Even I lost the funded account also, because the rules are so pathetic. Even I behaved more pathetic than the rules. So I thought I could make at least $500 a day with scalping, but then I don't know, for some reason I'm not able to fit into that aspect. So that is what I'm telling you guys. When I imagine my life, how I want to be as a trader for next 5 years, for next 10 years, all I could see is I want to remain so calm. I want to be so humble. I want to be the guy who takes uh, very good quality decisions that can really have a huge impact on the money that I'm earning, money that I'm investing, and I want to scale it up. Because imagine if I show the track record, the same track record to someone else and ask for funding, how do you think he's going to believe in me that if I end up doing something like blowing up 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh or whatever that stuff in a single day or two? That's not how we want to build a career. See, ultimately, why we are here as a trader, why you guys are watching my videos, so that you get some valuable information out of this skill that I'm putting in. If you could learn something, I know for sure that no one can exactly replicate the same model uh, um, from others. What you could do is you could take out all the learnings from my videos and try to build some sort of strategy in your own way, in the aspects that are trying to implement in the markets. So what I'm gonna do is from Monday onwards, I'm hopefully thinking that I'll start by Monday. So I'll be posting whatever the trades that I'll be taking, be it in crypto, be it in our markets. I have the same exact model working in our markets as well. So you can see all the lists that I have added here. So these are all the stocks. Even my system works here as well. I'm just backtesting it. I'm just analyzing what could be the risk. The only major concern for me here is to assess the risk in a good way, because it gets tough. Because you have to take a position here, you have to carry it overnight, and then the best way to do is obviously futures market. So but then in futures you have the risk of carrying it overnight, so anything can impact these overnight positions. So I'm just being careful. I'm just letting you know that right now I'm trying to focus on crypto, but if at all I trade in our markets and whatever the stuff I do, I'll try to be very honest. I'll try to be post everything, guys. So I don't know why I wanna share this, because yeah, that's it. That's it. I don't know if I sound silly, foolish, dumb, intelligent, great. challenging, aspiring, whatever it is, you can comment down below, or you can get into Discord through the link in bio and directly can shoot the questions, guys. So that's it for now. Thank you, guys. Thank you for staying up with me all the way through. Please ask me anything that you have genuinely bothering about. If you are generally bothering about, yeah. Okay, that's it, guys. See you. See you on the next one. Take care.